If Photopea is throwing an error code 400, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing as quickly as possible. This usually comes down to a browser issue, a bad cookie, an extension conflict, or sometimes even a network cache problem. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling anything. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy how-to guides. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss the next solution when an app or website gives you trouble. Alright, let's start with the quickest test first. Open Photopea in an incognito or private browsing window. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. Then go to photopea.com and try loading it again. This step is important because it gives you a clean browser session with no old cookies, no stored site data, and usually fewer extension conflicts. If Photopea works perfectly in incognito mode, that tells you the problem is most likely in your normal browser session, not with Photopea itself. In that case, the issue is usually caused by corrupted cookies, cached data, or an extension interfering with the site. If Photopea still fails in incognito, don't panic. Just move to the next fix. The next step is to clear the cookies and site data for Photopea in your main browser. If you're using Chrome, Edge, or Brave, open Photopea in your regular browser window and look at the left side of the address bar. Click the padlock icon or the tune icon next to the website address. From there, open site settings or cookies and site data, depending on your browser. Then choose the option to delete data or clear data specifically for Photopea. If you see a list of stored cookies, remove them for this site. After that, fully restart your browser and reload Photopea. This is one of the most effective fixes because a 400 error can happen when old or corrupted browser data is sending bad request headers back to the site. Now let's move on to a very common cause: ad blockers and privacy extensions. Photopea uses server requests to load things like default fonts, templates, and dynamic assets. If you have an extension like uBlock Origin, DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials, Privacy Badger, or any strict tracker blocker, it may accidentally block a request Photopea needs in order to work. To test this, click your extensions icon in the top right of your browser and temporarily pause or disable your ad blocker for photopea.com. Then refresh the page and see if the error is gone. If Photopea loads normally after disabling the extension, you found the cause. At that point, you can either keep the site allowed in your blocker or create a permanent exception just for Photopea so it continues working without interruptions. If you still see the error, the next thing to try is flushing your DNS cache, especially if you recently changed networks or had a dropped connection. Sometimes your operating system keeps outdated routing information and sends requests incorrectly. On Windows, open Command Prompt and run ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter, wait for the confirmation message, and then reopen Photopea in your browser. This won't affect your files, but it can clear stale network data that might be contributing to the error. If you're on a Mac, you can use the appropriate DNS flush command for your macOS version through terminal if needed. After that, try Photopea again in a fresh browser session. If it opens normally, great. The issue is solved. If not, you can also try a full browser restart, switching to another supported browser, or checking whether a VPN, proxy, or security tool is modifying your traffic. In many cases, the combination of clearing site data, disabling extensions, and testing incognito mode is enough to fix the problem completely. So to recap, first test a Photopea in incognito mode, then clear the site cookies and data, then disable ad blockers or privacy extensions, and if needed, flush your DNS cache. These steps solve most Photopea error code 400 issues quickly and safely. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to fix Photopea when it won't load, keeps freezing, or shows a blank screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.